Guys, and welcome back to my video. If you're new here, I'm Krish, and in today's video I'm going to tell you how to solve the second and third layer and the white face of the windmill cube. So in my previous video I told you how to solve the yellow face and the first layer of cube. If you have not seen that video, the link is in the description below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe it right now for more awesome videos and more Rubik's Cube videos. So let's start with today's video. So the first thing is to put the yellow face at the top, and then you have to bring 4 pieces at the second layer. So for this pieces, the piece looks like this. It has one color in it, and the piece is longer than the middle piece. So this is the orange one, this is the blue one, and this is the red one, and then this is the green one. So 2 cases, there will be piece without ledge and the piece with ledge. So this piece is without ledge. As you can see, it is inside of the middle piece, and the piece with ledge is not over here, but we'll look it in a moment. So for the piece without the ledge, the algorithm for this is, so put the piece under the same color, and then the algorithm for this is down counterclockwise, so the pieces are on the left side, and then right counterclockwise, down counterclockwise, right clockwise, down clockwise, and then you have to move on the right side, and then do left clockwise, down clockwise, and left counterclockwise, and you'll have the piece solved. Now let's look at the next one. Now here is green. Move the piece where it is green at the top, and then do the same thing again. Move down counterclockwise, R counterclockwise, down counterclockwise, R clockwise, down clockwise, and then move on the right side, and then do left clockwise, down clockwise, and left counterclockwise. The piece is solved. Let's look at one more. Here it is orange. Move it on the left side, and then R counterclockwise, down counterclockwise, R clockwise, down clockwise. Move it on the right side, then do left clockwise, down clockwise, and left counterclockwise. The piece will be solved. Now the blue one is also like without the ledge. Move it on the left side, then to right counterclockwise, down counterclockwise, right clockwise, down clockwise. Move to the right side, and then do left clockwise, down clockwise, and left counterclockwise. Guys, there is a piece with the ledge. For this, the algorithm is different. You have to put it below the center pieces, and then the algorithm is down clockwise, and then move to the right side, and then to down clockwise, L clockwise, down again clockwise, L counterclockwise, and down counterclockwise. And for this, move to the left side, and then to R counterclockwise, down counterclockwise, and R clockwise, and the piece will be solved. Is to look at the top, and if you know how to solve a regular Rubik's Cube, this will be easy. If you have a bar, do the same thing I do for this. Now here 2 white edge pieces are solved and 2 are not solved. If you don't know what to do with this, look my Rubik's Cube videos and you will know what to do for this. So put it on the 9 and 12 direction on the clock. This is 9 and this is 12, and then do this algorithm. The algorithm for this is F clockwise, up clockwise, R clockwise, up counterclockwise, R counterclockwise, and front counterclockwise. There will be a cross, and if you have any corner pieces, don't worry about it right now. The next thing is to match this 4 pieces with the same color as the bottom. So to do this, you have to bring all the pieces over here. Now two of them are solved and two are not solved. So put the solved pieces at the back and on the right side of you, and then do this algorithm. The algorithm for this is R clockwise, up clockwise, R counterclockwise, up clockwise, R clockwise, up twice clockwise, and R counterclockwise, and move the up face one, and you will have 4 pieces solved, as you can see. The next thing is to bring this 4 pieces with the same color as this. So this one is solved. So the page that is solved, put it on the right side, and then you have to do this algorithm. The algorithm for this is up clockwise, R clockwise, up counterclockwise, L counterclockwise, up clockwise, R counterclockwise, up counterclockwise, and L clockwise. You will have all the pieces solved. If you don't have piece solved, do the same thing once or twice more, and you'll have it solved. Now the next thing is to put these pieces on the correct position. So for this, bring the piece on the right side, and then you have to do the same thing you do for solving the first layer. Algorithm for this is R counterclockwise, down counterclockwise, R clockwise, and down clockwise. Do it until the piece is solved. R counterclockwise, down counterclockwise, R clockwise, and down clockwise. Now the piece is solved. The next thing is to bring the piece at the same location as this that is not on the correct position. So it is the blue one. Do the same thing. R counterclockwise, down counterclockwise, R clockwise, and down clockwise. R counterclockwise, down counterclockwise, R clockwise, and down clockwise. R counterclockwise, down counterclockwise, R clockwise, and down clockwise. R counterclockwise, down counterclockwise, R clockwise, and down clockwise. And then the piece will be solved. Now move the top layer so the cube is solved. So this was it for this video. If you find this video useful, give it a like and subscribe for more awesome videos and more Rubik's Cube videos. And thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next one.